Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can withdraw Telegram stars from your Telegram account or channel. So it's pretty much simple. So first you have to open a login to your Telegram account, and then you have to simply click on your Telegram channel name. Here you can find it, and then you can find the Telegram name and the edit section where you can find the balance option here. So you can simply click on balance, so where you can actually find your total fragment or ton, or also the stars that you have available on your account that you have get from the members or anyhow in any situation. So here you can find the ad viewers and the ad charge here, that how much revenue you have get, and here is ad viewers that you have bought with the stars. So here is the viewers overview. So here you can see that this amount of fragment here worth of 7 cents, and this amount, the 2 stars, is worth of 2 cents here. So from here you can find available reward, your available fragment, you can find it in this section, your balance. Now here is the star balance, that's how much star do you have on your account. So you can find your total stars and the value of your stars. So from here you can see you can withdraw stars using fragment or use stars to advertise your channel. So you cannot withdraw less than 1000 stars. So hope you will keep it in mind. So you must need more than 1000 stars to withdraw this amount of star. So here if I calculate that, for example, if you have 2000 stars, then it will worth of like around $40, and it's pretty much cool. So you just need to collect that amount of stars to get or pay out the $40. So you can withdraw it using your credit card or debit card or from the direct bank deposit. Make sure that your bank is available in the payment method on the Telegram. So that's pretty much simple. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and thanks for watching. Till next time.